Hello guys, good evening, welcome back again to our show. The drinks today that we can make actually is a dirty martini. Dirty martini and the martini is like about the same anyway. There's types of martini, there's many kinds of martini anyway. The dirty martini is the main ingredients is the olive juice, and I got the olives also and the olive juice, but there's many types of olives. There's another like black olives that's not good for dirty martini, so the green olives and the juice actually is kind of salty juice. And then vodka, you can use gin also. Some of the people they use a dry vermouth, and it's up to you, it's up to the guest. The tricky part of, okay, we're talking about the martini. The tricky part of the martini actually is especially if you're in the bar or you're a server, you always like the guest ordered a martini, and okay, you always ask like if you want like shaken or stirred, because it is a tricky question actually, because some of the guests also they only knows martini, and you're the ones like not trying to educate actually, because especially if you work long time in the bar, so those kinds of questions also. You can ask also to the customer if that is stirred or shaken, or you want a perfect martini, because that is different type also, and perfect martini and regular martini, because that's what I'm saying, like there's a lot of martini, and somehow some customers knows also what is a martini, so just be careful what you say and what the guest order. Listen carefully, and that's all I can say. So now we have to start this part. So I got this olive juice. I got vodka. You can use gin also. There's gin martini also, so you can use gin. I got the lemon, and I got the lemon leaves also. This fresh lemon leaves from my garden. So somehow it's like in the glass of the martini, you can put on top of the glass like ice first, so that the glass looks really chilled, or you can put in the fridge first your glass like overnight, or you can put in the freezer, so you got like frosty nice martini glass. If you have those privilege in the bar that you have a freezer, and then you can put this martini glass in the freezer or in the fridge actually, if you have this kinds of privilege, because some bars is like no space, so you don't have this kinds of privilege. Martini glass you can put in the fridge or freezer, or the wine glass also, so that you have a nice presentation once you serve the guest, like looks presentable all the time. And then especially the beer goblet also, the pilsner, you can put in the chiller or the freezer. And then the beer mug also, the same things, put in the freezer or put in the chiller, and that's how you have the nice presentation when you serve the guest a nice chilled beer. So that's like really nice to drink, right? So let's start our part. So let me get the ice and the glass in the freezer. So as you can see this, you have a nice frosty glass from the freezer, just come out from the freezer, right? Now if you're on the bars, like, you can just make it right away, and then you can just pour the martini in the glass. So now I'm just showing you the glass, so that you can see like it's really frosty. So put back in the freezer, so that as soon that you pour these drinks in the glass, it's like really nice presentation, like frosty glass. All right, so ice the glass about a scoop. This is a tricky part actually, because I just want to do it the stirred one, martini, dirty martini. So put the ice in the shaker. the aluminum glass first, and then you can put the ice on the glass, but a scoop of ice. Then you have a like really frosty martini, so you can add the ingredients now in the glass. About 2 jigger of the vodka, the syrup vodka, so you can count as the bubbles, you know. So at the bars we're allowed to pre-pour actually, and there's some bars not allowed because of the wasted, because of the over pour, you know. It's a tricky part, you know. So about 2 jigger of those. All right, and about a jigger of a olive juice. Add some more ice. You can, guys, you can shake it. You can shake it. You can stir it if you want. Not if you want, if you guys want, you know. So, but it's up how you present your drinks. So you have really nice stirred glass. And let me get my garnish. Here we go. Guys, again, you can do this mise en place, you know, before your show. Like, not show, actually, the same like the show. Before the function. Because if you do during the function, then you're gonna be out of time. All right, cool. And then let me get my glass right now. Then a frosty glass. You can add your don't say that. It's perfect, right? Exactly. No wasted, no nothing. It's perfect pour. You can see many times that in the bars, like the bar is really pro. Because many times like either short or more. That's why most of the boss owner in the bars like want to use a jigger. And then this, and let me add, you know, it's up to you how you garnish your drinks, and I want to add some lemon peel actually, so that you can add some more flavor. Have you seen that? So you can smell it. It's like the aroma. All right, here we go. This is our dirty martini. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. And please again, don't forget to subscribe, share. I have the Facebook page again, and please Naked Mixology, share it, and my video also on my YouTube channel. Please like thumbs up or like or thumbs down. It's up to you guys. Or please leave the comments below and let me know if you like drinks or not or whatsoever. All right, enjoy guys, enjoy. Have a dirty martini. Have a good night. My dogs start barking now. All right, thank you.